Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure work order approvals with Jobber, full guide step by step clearly. To configure work order approvals with Jobber, begin by logging into your Jobber account. Navigate to the Settings section in the left-hand menu. Under the Settings tab, locate and select the Work Settings option. In the Work Settings menu, you will see options for work order approvals. Click on Work Order Approvals to access the approval settings. Here, you will find the option to enable work order approvals. Toggle the switch to enable this feature. Once enabled, you'll need to specify which users have the authority to approve work orders. Select the users from the list provided who will be responsible for approving work orders. You can also set default approval levels for different job types. To do this, click on Add Default Approval Level. Choose the job type from the drop-down menu. Then set the specific approval level required for that job type. Once your settings are configured, click Save to apply the changes. Next, navigate back to your main dashboard. To create a new work order, click on the Create Work Order button. Fill in the necessary details for the work order, including the services to be performed and any relevant notes. Upon creation, the work order will be set to pending approval. Notify the designated approvers regarding the new work order that requires their attention. They can access the work order through their Jobber accounts. Approvers will review the work order and can either approve or deny it. If approved, the work order status will change to approved. If denied, the approver can provide feedback on the rejection. Ensure that your team is aware of how to check approval statuses on their dashboard. Regularly review pending approvals to maintain productivity. By following these steps, you can effectively configure work order approvals in Jobber. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.